today we install our 10-inch Android screen in a Mercedes Sprinter 2013 that it didn't come with the backup camera. We installed OEM fit backup camera. This is our universal 10-inch screen. As you can see, it's installed in the Mercedes Sprinter, and it's Android, so all the apps are here. It comes with online maps and offline maps. You can do Apple CarPlay and Android Auto too, which is optional. And by going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera. Going back to park, it goes back to normal mode. Also, we add our dash cam, which is nano dash cam without the screen, really tiny dash cam that you can control it with your phone. And again, that's how the unit looks like. The cool part about it, you can turn the screen to passenger side, so if they want to do any work on like let's say notepad or whatever, you can do it, or you can turn it back to driver's side, and you can navigate wherever you want to go. Right now we are connected to Wi-Fi 2 hotspot from our phone. Right now it's downloading some updates on the unit, and that's the temperature right now in Canada, which is kind of cold. And if you need this type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.